Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi is not working on iPhone when update iOS 18.2.1. So guys, if your iPhone is not connecting to internet or Wi-Fi connection, so guys, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is tap on the settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi toggle is turned on. You can see Wi-Fi toggle is turned on but not connecting to internet. Turn off and turn it on back and fix your problem. After turn on, you can see not connecting. Make sure your connected iPhone, tap on the connected Wi-Fi. You can see connected. Simply tap on the blue icon, turn on auto join. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix all bugs, problems and issues. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working, simply reset your iPhone network settings. Tap on the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your iPhone network settings and fix your problem. If after reset your iPhone network settings, your problem is not fixed, applying the next solution. Next solution is check your iPhone update. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, tap on the software update, checking for updates. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution is 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is make sure your iPhone is not dropped down. If your iPhone is dropped down, contact with the support.apple.com and visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix this issue. If all solutions are not working, make sure you are not enable the low data mode. Tap on the settings, tap on battery, tap on the low power mode. If low power mode is enabled, disable it and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, visit the nearest Apple store to fix this issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi not working on any iPhone latest 2025 method. Thanks for watching.